Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. So today we're gonna tackle what I hope and what I think is the last bit of the suspension problems we've been having in the front end here. So today we're replacing, this is called a dog bone mount for Audis, Volkswagens, like A3s, A4s, GTIs, Passats, like a lot of cars in the Volkswagen Audi group use this bolt. So this connects to the subframe here, and it connects to the bottom of the engine, and the one I have currently is like sagging, and there's a bushing in here, and this one doesn't move like it's supposed to. The other one is broke, worn out, it's bad. So today we're replacing this. We've got the new hardware, which they call stretch bolts. You got an 18 and 2 16s, I think it's 21, or 2 16s and 21. I don't know, we're gonna figure it out, but I'm glad you're here. Let's go jack the car up.
Also, I just finished the axle installed yesterday. It was the old axle. It took me 5 days. This place is a mess. We'll clean this up after this.
Okay, so this is exactly what I'm talking about. Here's the old dog bone mount, 2 bolts. So it's, let me get closer. Oh man. So it's sagging right here. There's a bushing here that's out. This is supposed to be up more. But yeah, you can shake this, but let me see if I can get you zoomed in a little better. Yeah, there's, as you see, there's kind of a gap here. It's not supposed to be, and it's supposed to be like up here. I'm not supposed to be able to put my finger up here. So we're gonna take this out, and yeah, so we'll take these 2 bolts out here. The other one's right over here in this bushing. This slides out, and it's out. And then we just put the new one back in. So it should be a pretty quick and easy install. Let's hope.
12 seconds later.
Okay guys, so we've got the old one out. So here's the old one, super dirty, and just kind of not doing its job. And here's the new one, all shiny, pretty, and it's gonna do its job. So look pretty similar. This one's just a little more worn out and leans down a little bit. It's not holding everything up like it's supposed to. So this is trash. This is not trash. So we're just gonna put those 3 bolts in, slide this in, and we're done. Pretty simple install. Okay, so dog bone mount is now put on. So I'm taking it out to see what other sounds I hear. Hopefully that takes care of anything, but it sounds like there's still something else, and I have no idea. See, there's that noise. It still feels like the axle, maybe lower ball joint or lower control arm or something, but I don't know. I can't put my finger on it because I've checked all of them. They're all tight. I mean, I just replaced the axle. Everything's tight and in place. So I honestly don't know. So if anybody has any ideas as to what it could be, yeah, if anybody has any ideas as to what it could be, the one thing I haven't checked, because I don't really know a way to test it, that I'm worried about is the steering rack. I had a shop tell me when I got it inspected that my steering rack needs to be replaced at some point, but other shops have told me no, that's not it, it's this or that or this or that, and so I don't know how to test that. If you guys do, let me know. Or if you guys have any ideas as to what it could be, let me know. But I'm gonna continue to try to figure this out. But for now, at least the car drives again, because the axle blew out and like it was bad news. So it feels a lot better now that the new axle's in and the new mount is in. The car feels a lot sturdier now, but there's still just that one loose sound. I can't figure it out for the life of me, but the car feels a lot better though. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the support that you guys give me on Instagram, on YouTube. So I'm gonna continue to build this thing, and it's just a little hurdle we need to get over. As soon as we get this fixed, then we've got some pretty sweet mods coming in store. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, because the more you guys like this, the more I get to do this and the better everything gets. So I will see you guys in the next video. Whoop!